Hey everyone, it's Maria here. Welcome back to another video. What do you say about a one-step skincare regimen? Wouldn't it be nice on those nights that you're extremely tired to just have one step instead of a multi-step skincare routine? So today I'm going to talk about that one favorite one-step skincare. Are you curious? Let's get to it. So what I'm talking about is oil cleansing, and I've done this video in the past and it's gotten some fantastic views, but I thought, you know what? It's time to renew or refresh that video because I did it such a long time ago. But the one thing that hasn't changed is my love for oil cleansing. And oil cleansing can be done by anyone. It just depends on the type of oil blend that you choose to cleanse your skin. The reason that I love it is that I can remove all the makeup, I can remove the day, and I can still use a product on my skin that is going to give it everything it needs before bed. Now, I don't recommend you do this, long term, and this is the one thing that you always do, is just to oil cleanse. There are other ingredients that our skin can benefit from at this age. But on those nights that you're tired, or even a couple nights, per week, you can definitely do this. You can let your skin, breathe and not bombard it with too much. So the first thing that I love to do, so I'm going to remove all this makeup. I'm wearing lipstick, eyeliner, I have mascara on. Now, all the makeup that I do have on, I want to say is natural. It's not conventional makeup. However, oil cleansing will remove conventional makeup as well, like a dream, including waterproof mascara. So today I'm going to use one of Helena Lane's balm cleansers. As you can see, this is a beautiful, rich balm, and it just melts into your skin after you apply it and kind of massage it in. Now, for those of you who don't want to use a balm, or you like something that is just maybe easier to remove, the balms and a lot of other traditional oil cleansers need a face cloth, and you might want to be the type of person who just rinses it off. Now, we all know that oil doesn't rinse. However, there are a lot of beautiful products on the market right now, like the Consonant makeup removing cleansing oil, that when you add water, it will emulsify and you are able to rinse it clean. Helena Lane's cleansers, however, have just a few ingredients and they will never emulsify. Helena Lane is based out of the west coast of Canada, and what I know her best for is her minimalist formulations. So when you look at an organic cleanser like this, you're looking at jojoba seed oil, which is infused with calendula flowers. It also contains beeswax. And that is it, my friends. That is it. So really beautiful for anyone with sensitive skin. Jojoba is a fantastic oil to oil cleanse with because it kind of has very similar makeup to the oils in our skin. So the one thing that I love to start out with is a soft face cloth. Whatever you have on hand, make sure that whatever it is, you don't press it too hard onto your skin. So, and make sure it's something that's soft. Good cotton one can work, or microfiber. And what I first want to do before I do the full cleanse is I have a bowl of water here, and it is warm water. And what I want you to do is just steam your face. So you're going to take your face cloth and you're going to apply it to your skin, just to kind of signal to you and your your face that it's time to remove the makeup. It's time for bed. And I also love how the warm face cloth relaxes facial muscles, gives a little steam to the face as well. And it also loosens up all that makeup. And this is especially important if you are wearing conventional makeup. Oh, hello. So it softened everything up. You can see, you can repeat and do that one more time. Do a second pass of the steam. Again, wet it with hot water. Make sure you don't burn yourself, and just press. Now, after that, you're going to dry off your hands with any product like this. You're not going to go in with your fingers. Sometimes I love going in with a spatula. I leave that next to my cleanser, but just make sure that your hands are dry. And you're going to take a little dollop of product, not so much, like this, and you're going to massage it like this, and then you're going to rub it onto your skin. And the reason why I think this is a beautiful regimen to use for the nights that you're tired is that with a good oil cleanser, you need to do a really good massage. Okay, you're not going to forget to do your lips. You're not going to forget to do your eyes. Nice little circles. Get your forehead. Really work this product into your skin. So I take a few minutes to do that because a product like a cleanser, this can be any cleanser, is actually the product that leaves our faces the fastest. Don't you agree? We put it on, we massage for like a couple seconds, and then down the sink it goes. So when you have a beautiful organic product like this, you want to reap all the benefits. You want to reap all the benefits of the oils. The one that I'm using today by Helena Lane is unscented, so it doesn't contain any essential oils, but she does make 3 other ones actually that do have essential oils. So you really want to kind of take in this experience. Inhale the essential oils. Let them, work their magic on your skin. Really massage this in. Let your skin absorb it. Okay. Now, the other thing I suggest, if you don't have too much makeup on and you're not feeling too grossed out when I say this, is that you can leave it on like this, like a mask, or you can do it on the nights that you don't have any makeup on. Leave it on, go watch something on TV, go watch your favorite Netflix series, and leave this on like a moisturizing mask, all right? Leave it on for an episode, and then come back, go back to your warm, wet face cloth. Okay, come back and then remove it. Like, seriously, where did the mascara go? I love how emulsified everything kind of becomes. Like this face cloth should have had some mascara blackness, but because I massaged it really well and I got all that mascara to move, there isn't an obvious mascara spot on this face cloth. Okay, so skin feels wonderful. I don't think that you need to double cleanse unless you're wearing a lot of makeup. And if you are and you have a true oil cleanser on hand, it makes me wonder why it didn't remove everything. I mean, look at my skin. Doesn't that look clean to you? It's perfectly clean. And you know, the most amazing thing is that it feels wonderful. It's plump and hydrated and moisturized. And I love how the oil cleansers make my skin feel. So when you've done that, my friends, that is it. You don't need to apply anything else to your skin. You can just go and hit the pillow. So it's wonderful to do that a few times a week. Let your skin breathe. Leave it with nothing on. Let it regenerate. That's what it does when you sleep. So let it do its job without bombarding it with too many things. Now, of course, I've done a PM skincare routine. I'm going to attach it here for you. But, you know, that can be on the nights that you have the time to kind of do all that stuff, to do the multiple steps. And, you know, I am a minimalist and there are all those ingredients that you should be using on your skin after a certain age, but nothing can beat more sleep. And if something like this helps you get that, just go get it, all right? And then in the morning, you're gonna wake up and follow an AM skincare routine. I have that video as well, so I'm gonna link it for you below. Okay, everyone, that is it for today. I am cleansed, I am moisturized at the same time, and I'm gonna go to bed now, all right? So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you with the video the next time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up to help it rise to the top. Thank you.